Hi guys, welcome to Lara's Tip and Trick. I'll be showing you guys how to make the Banga soup, the very Delta native traditional soup with stash. Here we have everything we need. We have the salt, the Maggie, the catfish, we have snail, we have the grounded blended fresh pepper. This is a native, traditional native ingredient. This is periwinkle. This is pomo or the cow skin, and then pretty much everything we need. So the first thing we'll be doing is pounding the native ingredient called tyko. You have to pound it continuously until it's very, very smooth. You can see how smooth it is. Okay, so that's the first thing. And then the second thing to do is to get the banga extract. Here I've already boiled my banga and I've already, sieve it out. So this is the extract. So immediately I put it on the fire. I added the cow skin or the pomo. I added it to the banga extract and allow it to boil, because when you put it, you want the pomo to be very soft, of course. And then here I added the catfish. The catfish is already pre-washed with warm water, so it does not scatter inside the soup, and allow it to boil for 3 minutes. And then we add the snail. Here also I've already, we have to wash your snail. I decided to wash my own snail with lemon, so it has the taste has to remain crunchy. So here we had the snail, and then we have to allow it to boil for another 3 minutes, and then we stir together. You gently stir it so it's fits into the pot. And then we had periwinkle. This could be optional. I like periwinkle. Almost all my meals I like to put periwinkle in it. So we add the periwinkle and gently stir. Here we add the fresh pepper, the blended or blended fresh pepper. Immediately after adding the periwinkle, you add this and allow it to boil. Here, very native banga soup ingredient is called tyko. It gives it a very, nice aroma, and then a very tasty taste. You know what I mean. So you can get it in a local market though. You can get it anywhere in the local markets. You can get it, and then you add the salt and the Maggie. Any Maggie of your choice is fine. Allow it to boil. Here we just keep stirring gently, so because we don't want our banga fish to get scattered. And then here you can see I added the crayfish, grinded crayfish. It's also optional, but I also like crayfish to be almost all my meals, all my soup. I like crayfish. I like the taste it gives. So this is almost ready. We'll just allow it to cook and then boil for another 2-3 minutes, because we want it to be very thick. You enjoy your banga soup when it's very, very thick. You can see here, finally our banga soup is ready. It's thick. You can eat it with any swallow of your choice. Another video I'll be showing you guys how to make the starch that goes with the banga soup.